Hello everyone. What I'm doing now, I'm doing some 360, but I'm gonna be flying this little beautiful quadcopter drones, Emax, Tiny Hawk, are the best for SPV and for people that want to start flying a drone. You know, this is one of the best to start. So we're going to start soon. We connect it, bind it, and see how it does in this little garden. Here I have my Valiant. It's an airplane that it flies unbelievable. So anyway, let's see how this go. I'm gonna see if we can record all around. See what happens.